The coronavirus has caused massive global uncertainty as we see investors start fleeing from the markets. With all this uncertainty, how can you make powerful and confident decisions in your real estate plans? As we enter the hot home buying season, real estate professionals have not seen a decrease in foot traffic at their open houses or on offers for homes. But we cannot predict the future. Many are predicting that this uncertainty is going to cause people to put a hold on selling their home. While this is understandable, buyers and sellers need to see that when there's fear in the world, mortgage rates tend to be lower. The Federal Reserve did an emergency rate cut this week to offset the global conditions. The 10-year yield fell below 1%, and the 30-year fixed rate mortgage is at 3.29% on average. These levels are at the lowest in the history of the housing market. If you are a homeowner or a home buyer, now is the time to act. Homeowners, if your mortgage rate is higher than 3.5%, it's time to have a discussion with a mortgage professional like me. Home buyers, inventory is slim right now, but if you have an opportunity to jump into the market, this is the time to do it. You have much more buying power right now than you ever have before. The full impact of the coronavirus is still not known. With all this talk about the markets, we need to acknowledge the true impact that this is having on lives and families across the world. Try to stay healthy and take care of your loved ones. And if you've been asked to work from home, take that time that it usually takes you to get to work to have a phone conversation with a mortgage professional. It can make a huge difference on your savings accounts.